Who wants to work from home? Who wants to get paid instant commissions? Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emery Jackman and I'm the team leader of my Perfectly Posh team, Posh Em Up. I'm super excited to share with you today what comes in the Perfectly Posh Starter Kit for August 2018. We have a bunch of products in the kit and some business tools to get you started with your business. Now you can go to emeryposh.com and pick up this starter kit whether you want to make it a business or whether you want to just use the products for yourself and get a discount on your next purchases. It's super easy and very flexible for your lifestyle. So let's dive right in and see what comes in the August 2018 Perfectly Posh Starter Kit. First off, you get 2 face masks. This one is the Ritual. It's a pink, deep cleansing face mask. This one is actually face and body mask, and it's very moisturizing. There's 7 different types of oats in here. So if you have dry skin on your face, use it on your face. Anywhere you have dry skin on your body, use it on your body. And it's also really good for sunburns. We have 2 body lotions. This is Brazilian Bombshell Body Butter. It's so delicious. This is a oldie but goodie scent that they kind of revamped and brought it back in a body butter. It is a Brazil nut and it's a super thick body butter. It's so nourishing and moisturizing, naturally based, no yucky stuff in here. And then if you want a lighter lotion, use a body cream. This is our Honey body cream. It has honey in it and lemon. It smells sweet. And this was one of the very first Posh products I ever tried and fell in love with it. The scent is just so unique and yummy and sweet. And look at that cute packaging. Oh, I love honey. Then we're going to get 3 skin sticks. Now what is a skin stick? This is what they look like. They are shea butter based sticks full of essential oils. Now we know essential oils can have such good healing and all different kinds of benefits for our skin, for our body, for our mind. Essential oils are amazing. So Posh has a bunch of different ones with different essential oils in them. The Healer is like the heal-all boss of the skin sticks. This is a vanilla orange and it heals everything. I even use this on my lips as a lip balm every day. Then we have Perk, which is peppermint. So the peppermint essential oils are great for headaches, tension headaches, sore muscles. It's good for allergies. Peppermint just helps you breathe better. You can put it on your nose, on your temples, the back of your neck, behind your ears. You can put them here on your wrists. The peppermint one is a must. And then the Purifier has tea tree oil in it, which is amazing for like bug bites. It even can help keep the bugs away because they don't like that smell. The Purifier is also good for like blemish prone areas because the tea tree oil is very cleansing. And skin sticks are just so super cool. So you open them up and then they twist on the bottom and you've got that yummy shea butter and beeswax with all the essential oils right in there. So I love that it's like essential oils on the go. You're not going to spill them anywhere because they're in this solid stick form. You can toss them in your bag, have your essential oils with you at all times. Perfectly Posh skin sticks are super unique and customers always come back for these. I love selling the skin sticks. Then one of our all-time favorite products is our BFF, Best Face Forever. This is an exfoliating face wash and you can use it once a day and it is pampering at its finest. It's a bright pepperminty scent, so it helps to refresh and wake you up. It has the scrubby beads in it, which are eco-friendly, and they just slough off the dead skin so you have a bright, beautiful, more even complexion. BFF is a must for every posh girl every person that you know in your friends and family line is going to fall in love with this, and they will keep coming back for more and more and more. We have a Fizzy bath bomb. Perfectly Posh has bath bombs, and they're so great because there's no SLS in them. They are made with the best ingredients Mother Nature has to offer. And this Perfectly Posh August 2018 starter kit comes with one Fizzy bath bomb, so you can try it and see how you like them and see if you'd like to purchase more for your business. You're going to get 2 chunk bars. So these are our solid bath bars, and they do not have animal fat in them. Most traditional bar soaps have animal fat in them, and ours do not. Ours are sustainably sourced palm oil. This one is milking it. It's goat's milk and honey, and it's very, very gentle. This one is amazing for dry skin and eczema skin. You're also going to get the Feel Better Soon chunk bar. This is a sample. This is the real size. Like, they are big guys here. And the Feel Better Soon is lavender. Oh, this is so good for taking baths at night. I love using this on my little child because the lavender, of course, helps relaxing. Then 2 more products here. You're going to get 2 hand creams. This is our Big Fat Yummy hand cream, and we are famous for these because they are not greasy. They have apricot kernel oil. This one is candied blackberry and jasmine. They are TSA approved size, so you can keep this in your purse and you can share it with everyone you meet. Every time you put this on in the grocery store, someone's going to say, "What is that delicious scent?" Because Perfectly Posh products smell real, not fake. This is the Big Fat Yummy hand cream that comes in the August kit. And then the other hand cream you get is a little different. This one is an anti-aging hand cream. So this one is unscented. It's called Ain't That the Youth Anti-Aging Hand Cream. Okay, you guys, so this has hyaluronic acid in it. I'm gonna use them right now, which is what gives you the anti-aging properties. So it helps lighten up age spots, and seriously, the backs of our hands age faster than any other part of our skin. So having an anti-aging hand cream in our Perfectly Posh products, I was so super excited when this came out, and I have a ton of people who love it. You can actually see the benefits using it on your hands daily. I actually keep this one on my nightstand by my bed, and I put it on every night, and I wake up with youthful, glowing hands that are super moisturized and not greasy. You're also going to get 20 pre-made samples. They're gonna come in an array of different products, but they're pre-made samples that you can just share right away with everyone you know and let them know about your posh business you just started. And you're gonna wanna share all these amazing products, so you get already samples ready to go. So join my posh team this month, whether you want to get the discount for yourself or you want to earn some money. We now get paid instantly, and start thinking about the future. It's August, so we have September, October, November. The big selling months are upon us. So join now, get a feel for your posh business, start earning your commission, and get paid instantly. So when someone orders from me, we have this new pay program where we get our commissions paid within like a few minutes of the order coming through. It's so super exciting. So if you could use some extra cash for Christmas, I'm telling you, now's the time to join. All of my contact information is down below. I love talking posh. I'd love to have you on my posh team and help you with your journey. There's different levels you can reach along the way, and prizes galore. We just started an incentive period where we can earn points towards a free trip, fully paid trip to Mexico. And I can't wait to go there with my posh girls. And I would love to have you on our team and work with us to get to Mexico for free. I love using YouTube in my business so I can reach out to new people and I can find new friends, new people that deserve pampering, because you deserve it. This life is so crazy busy, and it's amazing what just a simple hand cream can do to lift your mood, lift your spirits. And when you're using good for you products, like a really yummy naturally based chunk bar that's good for sensitive skin, a delicious body butter that's amazing for sensitive skin. Guess who else can use these? Your whole family. Use these on your kids, your husband, your grandmother. Everyone's going to love them and feel pampered, and you will see a difference in your skin with Posh. So much information so fast. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for sticking around to the very end, and don't forget to pamper yourself. Have a great day.